How to change the username on iPhone and Android for Twitter or X. All right, so what you have to do firstly is go to your home screen. Now, from here, what you have to do is click on the icon all the way on top, your name, right? Then, once you click on that, what you have to do is click on settings and privacy. Once you click on that, what you have to do is click on your account. Then, once you click on that, what you have to do is click on account information. Then, once you click on that, you have to click on your username right here. Now, from here, you could choose any username you want. So, for example, me, I'm going to choose Instructify. I'm just putting random, so hopefully it works. Yep. Now I just click on done, and I'm gonna save my username. And that's how you change your username on Twitter or X. If this video helped, make sure you like, comment, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any help. And I'll try my best to get back to y'all super fast.